こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Grammar video number 86 and we're going to learn about dictionary form of the verb and MAE NI or the noun no. This is the particle no, MAE NI. In the translation is before something or sometimes in front of something. Before I eat, I wash my hands. Before I eat or before eating, the verb 食べます to eat. Well, without ます, 食べ is a sound. So this is group 2. But this must be the dictionary form. And so the second group is very easy. Only we add る 食べる This is dictionary form of the verb 食べます食べる前に Then this means before eating. The vocabulary 手 it means hand, hands 手洗います to wash 食べる前に手を洗います食べる前に手を洗います Before going to bed, I wash my teeth. I clean my teeth. The verb 寝ます to go to sleep or to go to bed. 寝ます without ます寝 a sound. So this is also the second group, the easiest. In the second group, to form the dictionary form, only we add る 寝る So we can say 寝る前に It means before going to bed. は With this kanji, it means tooth or teeth. The verb 磨きます It means to polish something. But in the case of 歯 the teeth 歯を磨きます It means brush my teeth. 寝る前に歯を磨きます寝る前に歯を磨きます Before cleaning, I open the windows. The verb to clean 掃除しますします This is the third group. So you must know it. The dictionary form is する掃除する前に Windows we say 窓 The verb to open 開けます掃除する前に窓を開けます掃除する前に窓を開けます Till here we learned about the verb, dictionary form and MAE NI before doing something. But now we're going to see that this 名詞 noun and no, this is very important, the particle no, MAE NI. And in the case of noun, we can use in the space or time. In the case of space no 前に then we translate like in front of the station, there's a delicious cake shop. Station, 駅 the station for the trains and subways. 駅 delicious, yummy, おいしい adjective. おいしいケーキ this is cake. Yeah, this is the shop. So the shop where you can buy cakes. ケーキ屋 cake shop. 駅の前においしいケーキ屋があります。駅の前においしいケーキ屋があります。In front of the movie theater, there is a famous pizzeria. So before going into the movie theater, let's eat there. 映画館 movie theater. Only 映画 this is movie, films. But 映画館 with this 館 it means the building, the public building. So 映画館 movie theater. 有名 this is famous な adjective. So before the noun you must put な. For example, 有名なピザ屋 Pizza, this is pizza. Yeah, this is the shop. So the pizza restaurant, ピッツェリア、有名なピザ屋、famous pizzeria. The verb to enter or to go into, 入ります。入ります。But we need to put に some place に入ります。going into some place. For example, go into the movie theater, enter the movie theater. 映画館に入ります。This verb is group 1 without mas 入り。In the case of group 1, this ri you must change to ラリルレロ。In the dictionary form of 入ります、this ri must change to the u sound. So 入る、入る。Before I enter or before I go into, then 入る前に。So before going into or going in the movie theater, 映画館に入る前に。Let's eat. The verb 食べます to eat. And without ます we change to ましょう。食べましょう。食べましょう。Let's eat. ここ here. そこ there. あそこ over there far. どこ where. And if I want to say, let's eat there. Let's eat there. ここで食べましょう。Because 食べます is the verb, action verb. So in this place, ここで食べます。Let's eat here. そこで食べましょう。Let's eat there. 映画館の前に有名なピザ屋があります。有名なピザ屋がありますから、映画館に入る前に、そこで食べましょう。映画館の前に有名なレストランがありますから、映画館に入る前にそこで食べましょう。Before Christmas, I must go to buy some presents. プレゼント presents, gifts. クリスマス This is Christmas. And this is the time. This is a moment of the time, Christmas. So, this is the noun クリスマスの前に before Christmas. Christmas の This is the particle の okay? クリスマスの前に before Christmas. 買います the verb to buy. And 行きます the verb to go. And go for shopping. Go to buy something. Then without ます買い and I add に買いに行きます I go to buy. I must go. Well, with this 行きます to go, we must change to ない form of this 行きます This is group 1. Without ますき This き must change to a sound かかきくけこか So 行かない This is ない form 行かない Then 行かなければなりません I must go 行かなければなりませんクリスマスの前にプレゼントを買いに行かなければなりません。クリスマスの前にプレゼントを買いに行かなければなりません。Now we are going to see the other form using 前に or 前。This is period of the time and 前に。期間 This word is period. 期間 The second 漢字間 This is 間 This is the duration of the time. So period, duration of the time. Then we don't use the particle no. Do you remember this is the noun の前に before we said before Christmas, Christmas の前に because Christmas, this is the time, the moment of the time, the moment. So の前に but here, this is not only one moment. This is the duration. Then we are not going to use the particle no. 1ヶ月 it means 1 month. 2ヶ月 2 months. 3ヶ月 4ヶ月 like this. So 1ヶ月前 or 1ヶ月前に it means 1 month ago. 2ヶ月前に 2 months ago. So English translation is ago. 6ヶ月前に 6 months ago. 半年前に half a year ago. 1日前に or 1日前 one day ago. 2日前に 2 days ago. 3日前に 3 days ago. 1年半前に a year and a half ago. 1週間前に a week ago. 6年6 years. So 6年前に 6 years ago. My daughter got married 6 years ago. 娘 daughter 結婚します The verb to get married. 娘は6年前に結婚しました。娘は6年前に結婚しました。I went to the hospital with my grandma 3 days ago. おばあさん、おばあちゃん、grandmother. Please be careful with the intonation. おばあさん with a タタンタン long sound and also the pitches タタンタンおばあさん the grandma without this おばさんタタタンタタタンおばさん this is aunt so please don't get confused 病院 hospital this 漢字病 this is disease the illness sickness disease and this in this means the building so 病院 hospital 3日前を3日前におばあちゃんと病院へ行きました3日前おばあちゃんと病院へ行きました3日前におばあちゃんと病院へ行きました Now practice the sentences using these 3 things but I'm gonna mix up all the orders dictionary form 前に or noun の前に or it can be period of the time 前に Now I want you to think how to say this in Japanese. Before a trip, I made a hotel reservation. Before trip in this case in the noun trip の前に the verb 予約します to reserve to make a reserve 予約します旅行の前にホテルを予約しました旅行の前にホテルを予約しました Before the muscle training, I stretch myself. Muscle training as noun. So muscle training の前に筋トレ This is muscle training. ストレッチします。Stretch yourself. 筋トレの前にストレッチします。筋トレの前にストレッチします。When did you come to Japan? 4 years ago. In this case, 4 years, the period of time. So without no, and we say 前。いつ日本に日本へ来ましたかいつ日本に来ましたかいつ日本へ来ましたか ?4 年前です。4年前です。or 4年前に来ました。Before meeting, I must make copies of documents. Before the meeting is the noun. So the meeting の前に meeting is 会議。So 会議の前に before the meeting. 資料 it can be documents, handout, or also materials or data. To make some copies, コピーします。会議の前に資料をコピーしなければなりません。会議の前に資料をコピーしなければなりません。Before I eat, I must take this medicine. Well, in this case, before I eat, this is the verb. So we are going to use this dictionary form. And before I eat, 食べる。食べます。And dictionary form 食べる。食べる前に before I eat. 薬を飲みます。To take some medicines. 薬を飲みます。食べる前にこの薬を飲まなければなりません。食べる前にこの薬を飲まなければなりません。We practiced a lot today, right? Now quiz time with 5 questions. The first 3 is gonna be the dictation, so please write them in Japanese, and after that, please answer these questions. And the last 2 is gonna be the translations into Japanese. 1番目、駅の前に何がありますか？駅の前に何がありますか？駅の前に何がありますか？2番目、寝る前に何をしますか？寝る前に何をしますか？寝る前に何をしますか？寝る前に何をしますか？ 3 番目、5年前にどこに住んでいましたか？5年前にどこに住んでいましたか？5年前にどこに住んでいましたか？5年前にどこに住んでいましたか？ 4 番目。This is gonna be the translations into Japanese. Before my friend comes to my house, I must clean my house. 5番目。最後です。The last one. Before getting on 新幹線 Well, 新幹線 This is bullet train in Japan. Before getting on 新幹線 I'm going to buy お弁当 at the station. I'm going to buy お弁当 at the station. お弁当 is the lunchbox, the Japanese lunchbox. So again, before getting on 新幹線 I'm going to buy お弁当 at the station. We practiced a lot today, right? I'm a little bit tired. So good job. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me like. And if you can share my videos with your friends, that can help me a lot. Please do it. いかがでしたか？今日はみんなとても頑張りましたね。私も頑張りましたよ。今日は動詞の辞書形前に、そうもなければ名詞の前に、そして期間前にを勉強しました。このビデオが役に立ったと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録お願いいたします。それから私のビデオをお友達に紹介していただけたらとても助かります。ぜひお願いいたします。ではまた次のビデオでお会いしましょう。じゃあね。バイバイ。